So today I forgot to film the intro before I jumped into it in the field. We're going to go ahead and take apart the Y strainer and show you that when it's collecting debris, how to clean it, and what it looks like inside. This nut was super tight, so I ended up just pulling it with a ton of power until it finally came loose. See how nasty that water is? This is what's following it up. It's going to be inside too, so clean this up. We'll flush that and everything. You may have noticed that there's an angle at the top of the strainer. That's going to go in the opposite of the angle of the Y strainer. That way it's in the stream of the water and collects all the debris and brings it to the bottom of the Y strainer.
we never use these Victor locks. They have a groove. You'll just go ahead and get them in there, and it'll kind of seat itself.
Y strainers are pretty simple, so that's pretty much it. Put some Teflon back on that plug, get it tightened up, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.